5 accidentally. This is probably our 5. So sorry. Let's say this is 5 and 6. So we've got a table of densities here. These are given. So for example, silver has a density of 10.50 grams per milliliter. So if I had 1 milliliter of silver, that would be 10.5 grams. Cool. So it says you made some cubes out of each of the metals in the table above that each measure 2 centimeters on every side. What is the volume of each cube in centimeters cubed? And I put the equation for volume. Volume is just side cubed. And we know that the length of each side is 2 centimeters. So the volume is side cubed. Well, the length of each side is 2 centimeters. If we cube that, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. That is 8 centimeters cubed. And then we know that if 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, what is the above volume in milliliters then? It would also be 8. Great. Now it says find the mass of these metal cubes from calculated volumes above. Show your work. So it says lead cube. We're going to look at lead here. Lead's density is 11.35 grams per milliliter. Zinc's density, if I look on the table, is 7.13 grams per milliliter. We learned some equations here. If I want to calculate mass, remember, density is mass divided by volume. If I want to solve for mass, volume times density will give me my mass. This is the equation we need to solve these two questions. I have the density. The volume is 8 milliliters. So what am I doing with these two numbers to get my mass? I'm multiplying 8 milliliters times 11.35 grams per milliliter. This will give me my mass. So 8 times 11.35, I get 90.8 grams. Great. Then for my zinc cube, same thing. 8 milliliters times 7.13 grams per milliliter. 8 times 7.13, I get 57.14 grams. And this makes sense that for the same volume, lead has more mass because it is more dense. Great.